loose anyway. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Now this is gonna be a video plead. Just to plead people, do not over tighten your fuel injectors on your old 617 Mercedes turbo diesel. You just can't do that. Now, it makes it very hard to get them out, so I gotta bring in the big wrench, okay? We gotta get this big wrench. I'm not gonna strain myself trying to get these fuel injectors out of this engine. Let's see if we get them out this way. Okay, come on, lean into it. Okay, do you suppose the guy putting these in thought he'd get better compression by torquing these to 150 foot-pounds? The problem is you can actually damage the fuel injector hasps by over torquing them, and you can cause the nozzles to hang up. Ah! Okay, all right, now I'm all worn out. So please, you don't need to over tighten the fuel injectors. There's a crush washer down in there that's going to seal it. And you need to torque these to the proper specifications. You can look online or any of my instructions that come with rebuilding these injectors. So get a torque wrench and torque your fuel injectors properly.